If Discord is not opening on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that you can follow right now. This is one of those annoying problems that can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because I post simple software tutorials that help you fix issues fast. First, it's a good idea to check whether Discord itself is having a server problem. Open your browser and go to discordstatus.com. If Discord is down on their side, the app may not open or may have trouble connecting no matter what you do on your computer. Once the page loads, look at the status indicators and check whether any core services are reporting issues. If everything looks normal, then the problem is probably on your PC, so let's move on to the next fix. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. This is important because Discord may be running in the background even if the window is not opening properly. In Task Manager, make sure you are on the Processes tab. Now look for Discord in the list. If you see it there, right-click Discord and choose End Task. This completely closes the app and clears out any stuck process that may be preventing it from launching. After that, close Task Manager and try opening Discord again from your desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. In many cases, that alone is enough to get Discord working again. If Discord still does not open, the next step is to reinstall the latest version. Open your browser and go to discord.com/download. Download the newest Discord installer from the official website because that ensures you are getting the latest files directly from Discord. Once the download finishes, run the installer and let it reinstall Discord on your PC. This can repair damaged or missing files that may be causing the app to fail at startup. When the installation is complete, restart your PC before opening Discord again. A full restart helps clear temporary system issues and make sure the new installation loads properly. After your computer starts back up, open Discord one more time and see if it launches normally. If it does, then the issue is fixed. If it still gives you trouble, you may want to repeat the restart and make sure no security software or background app is blocking it. But in most cases, checking Discord status, ending the task in Task Manager, reinstalling the app, and restarting your PC will solve the problem. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC fixes and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.